Nobody could help me. Call the Go Health Medicare Help Center now at 800.
She's killing him.
Get him, Coda. Get him.
Here, just play with this and leave me alone. Just play with this. Here, just take it. She says, nope, I want to play with you. She says, I want you to play with the toy. Nope, I'm going to rip your cheek off. Here, just play with this. Play with this. You can play with it. No, not me. Get him, Coda. Get him, Coda. Here, I'm getting a toy for you to play with. Here, play with that. Get off of me. Get off of me. She's 10 times his age and she's still kicking his ass. Get him, Coda. Get him. Get him, Coda.
Oh, I think you're done for right now.
He's like, what? That's it? That's all you're doing? Fine, I'm just going to lay here then.